Another part of ellipse, when the major axis along y-axis, I just change a and b. In this condition, a is again greater than b, the greater value with y square. If greater value with y square, that means whole of the system lie on y-axis. Only a and b interchanged. Everything remains same. So the value of b square will remain same. Center coordinate are 0, 0. Vertices 0 plus minus a. Focus 0 plus minus a. Directrix y is equal to plus minus a upon e. So these are the system. If value of a is greater than both the cases, I interchange only a and b, nothing else. Since whole of the system, whole the coordinate system will remain same, but will be written on y-axis. हमेशा ये y-axis पर ही लिखा जाएगा. अब एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं इसके केस में. देखिए, ये क्वेश्चन है एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन 25 इज इक्वल टू 1. This equation 25 is greater than 4, so that this equation is in the form of x square upon b square. The smaller value is b, greater value is a, so y square upon a square is equal to 1. Here if you compare these two, so b square will be equal to 4, so that b is equal to plus minus 2. A square is 25, so a will be plus minus 5. So how to calculate E? B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. B square is 2 to the 4. A square is 25, 1 minus E square. 4 upon 25 is equal to 1 minus E square, or you can say E square is equal to 1 minus 4 upon 25 or 21 upon 25. So here is the value of E will be root of 21 upon 25. So it is root 21 upon 5, and this value is less than 1, so that it is ellipse. This system, a स्क्वायर विद वाई, ए स्क्वायर जो है वो वाई के साथ है, ग्रेटर वैल्यू वाई के साथ है, सो दिस सिस्टम विल बी रिटन ऑन द वाई एक्सिस. तो वाई एक्सिस पे कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? सेंटर कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर सेम. फोकस 0 प्लस माइनस ए, सो 0 प्लस माइनस ए. व्हाट इज ए? ए इज 5, e is root 21 upon 5. 5 will be cancelled out. So answer is 0 plus minus root 21. Next is vertices 0 plus minus a, 0 plus minus 5. Equation of directrix. Equation of vertices. They will be y is equal to plus minus a upon e. So plus minus a is 5, e is root 21 upon 5, that is 20 plus minus, so this will be plus minus 25 upon root 21. That is called equation of directrix. One more thing is also here, that is latus rectum. Latus rectum. The value of latus rectum will be same in both the cases, in the first case and the second case. First case in which a square is here with x square. So latus rectum, length of latus rectum is 2b square upon a in both the cases. So here, so length of latus rectum will be, latus rectum will be 2b square upon a. 2 as it is, b square. What is b square? B square is 4. A is 5. So it is plus minus, sorry, it's not a plus minus, it's a distance 8/5 यूनिट। अगर आपको ये एग्ज़ाम्पल पसंद आया, ये लेक्चर पसंद आया, तो प्लीज़ इसको सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। मैं और इसमें एग्ज़ाम्पल आपको बताऊंगा और अच्छे तरीके से एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और इसको लाइक कीजिएगा वीडियो को और सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए। थैंक यू।